sa buong madla.
Sanggipang karangalan, sa lahat bahagi ka.
Ngayon ka nakita, tinubog ng lumipas.
At bawat ngayon at bukas, nakakukit hanggang wakas.
Salamat, salamat, salamat sa pagkakataon na makapiling, makabalikan, maging bahagi ng mundo. Salamat, salamat, taus-pusong pasasalamat. Salamat, salamat, salamat sa RPN. Salamat, hindi malilimutan ating pinagdaanan, ating pinagsamahan. Sa hirap at ginawa, sa lungkot at saya. Salamat, salamat, salamat sa RPN.
RPN Provincial Stations, DZBS Baguio, DYKB Bacolod, DXXX Zamboanga, DXKO Cagayan de Oro, DXDX General Santos, DYKC Cebu, DGKI Iriga, DXKD Dipolo, DXKS Surigao, DXKP Pagadian, DXKT Davao, at DZRL Bata. RPN Provincial Stations.
Ang pinakaenot sa ringkunada. Puon kay do sa gudgunyan. Minaanduyog sa mga namamanwaan. Katuwang para sa kauswagan. Sa mga bareta, patas. Sa impormasyon, public service, enot ka. Malalaoman, katotohanan ang sinasarigan. Inina ang bagong Radyo Ronda. DZKI Iriga Radyo Ronda. Ang maugmang kairiba. Madya na.
Network, Radyo Ronda, DZKI Iriga, member kapisama ng mga broadcaster ng Pilipinas.
BICOL Connection, mga follow-up kan mga issues na makonektar sa mga tao, asin ahensya kan gobyerno, relevanting informasyon sa likod kan mga bareta. BICOL Connection, mga reports kan RPN patrols, entrevista, asin serbisyo publiko. Yan gabos ang tabayanan. BICOL Connection. BICOL Connection.
An oras na yan, atod sa indo ni Mr. Julio Victor Marlo Siguera, President, Siguera Technological Colleges, Iriga City. Para sa edukasyon di kalidad, Siguera Technological Colleges.
That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
Ang porsyon na ini hatod man sa Indo ni Punong Barangay, Weden Salvadora. Ang programang ini hatod sa Indo ni Punong Barangay, Eduardo Di Maiwag, kan Perpetual Health, Iriga City. Siring man, ang oras na yan hatod sa Indo ni Punong Barangay, Lito Tataro. Maugmang bareta sa mga problema sa indong mga lulunadan, yaw na sa Iriga, ang John Motor Shop, Jones Motor Shop. Opo, Jones Motor Shop. Igwasindahan din mga ekspertong mekaniko na maserbisyo para sa gabos na klaseng automatic transmission, automatic cars, truck general overhauling, heavy equipments, payloader, general overhauling, gabos na klase nin computer box. Nagaako man sinda nin preemptive maintenance sa manlain-lain na brand nin lulunadan, Arugan, Isuzu, Hyundai, Fuso, Toyota, Kia, asin Suzuki. Gabos yan, kayang-kaya kan Jones Motor Shop. Huli ta igwasinda nin patikanong mekaniko na subok na sa trabaho. Kontakon sana si Mr. Jose M. Santor ang may sadiri sa CP number 0929-1991-829 o kaya sa 0929-3784-134 or 0927-5568-961. Ang John Motor Shop. John Motor Shop, iguanin branch digdi sa Rinconada sa Barangay San Isidro, Iriga City. Asinan sa indang main shop, iyaon sa Pili, Camarines Sur. Jones Motor Shop. Quality service is our business. Jones Motor Shop.
Problema ang sasakyan mo? Kulog tayo na, kulog bulsa pa! Pero don't worry amigo, sa Maximus Auto Care Center, ang auto mo ayos tulos. Ang Maximus Auto Care Center may computerized car diagnostics and scanning, mechanical services, body repair, electrical, battery charging, car aircon specialist. Asin nag-aako man sinda nin preventive maintenance services para sa gabos na klase nin bihikulo, kabali and fire truck. I-contact lang ang Maximus Auto Care Center sa Nabwa, Balatan Road, Zone 1, Sitio Abaca, San Antonio, Ogmon, Nabwa, Camarines Sur sa 054-884-6509, 0915-096-1993 o sa 0960-563-9766. Email address maximusautocc@gmail.com. FB page Maximus Auto Care Center. Hanapon lang si Mr. Joseph Sim, Chief Mechanic. Maximus Auto Care Center. Maximus Auto Care Center open from Monday to Saturday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Maximus Auto Care Center is PhilJeps registered.
Be a global achievers with a world-class education and skills. Enroll at Siguera Technological Colleges at Highway 1, Francia, Iriga City. Siguera Technological Colleges offers the following DepEd programs: Senior High School, Grade 11 and 12, Academic Track, Accountancy, Business and Management, ABM Strand, General Academic Strand, GAS, Humanities and Social Science, HUM Strand, Technical, Vocational and Livelihood Track, Automotive Servicing NC1, Automotive Servicing NC2, Computer System Servicing NC2, Electronics Products Assembly and Servicing NC2, Electrical Installations and Maintenance NC2, Masonry NC2, and Tile Setting NC2. CHED programs: Bachelor of Engineering Technology, BAT, Major, Automotive Technology, Electronics Technology, Electrical Technology, Bachelor of Technical Vocational Teacher Education, Major, Automotive Technology, Electronics Technology, Electrical Technology, Food and Service Management, Computer Hardware Servicing, Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education, Major, Home Economics, Industrial Arts, Information and Communications Technology, Bachelor of Science in Criminology, Bachelor of Science in Office Administration, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, Major, Marketing Management, Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. They also have TESDA registered programs, Automotive Servicing NC1,
Automotive Servicing NC2, Computer System Servicing NC2, Electronics Product Assembly and Servicing NC2, Driving NC2, Heavy Equipments Operation NC2, Heavy Equipments Operation, Well Loader NC2. Sigera Technological Colleges also offers scholarship program, Sigera Marching Band Scholarship, Sigera Barangay Official Scholarship, cash discounts. They also accept scholarship grant from Tulong Dunong, CHED, Estufa Foster Parents Scholarship, OWA, Provincial Government, Congressional District, TESDA, TWSP, and TESDA, PESFA for freshman students. College admission requirements. Bring the original high school report card F138 or SF9, Certificate of Good Moral Character F137, high school graduate or senior high school graduate, Certificate of Live Birth, NSO PSA photocopy, Certificate of Honorable Dismissal if transferee, transcript of records if transferee, 3 pieces 1x1 picture, 2 pieces 2x2 picture, and 5 pieces passport size picture and medical exam report. For senior high school entrance requirements, SF9 report card or SF10 Form 137, Honorable Dismissal, PSA, NSO birth certificate, original, Certificate of Good Moral, and Certificate of Completion. So, enroll now. For more information, please see the register or call 299-2224 or 0921-845-9871 or 0917-8830-109 or visit us at www.facebook.com/Sigera GECS or www.facebook.com. The Sigera Technological Colleges enrollment is now going on. Classes starts for school year 2023-2024 is on September 4, 2023. Ang mga minasunod na sponsor nagpapaabot man nin pasasalamat sa selebrasyon kan kafiestahan ina patron kan kabikolan. Uya ang samuyang mga sponsors: Mrs. Dorotea Ibarreta Amance, Chief Political Affairs, House of Representative, Quezon City. Mama's Cafeteria, owned and managed by Mr. Warren and Don Nueva, Highway 1, San Nicolas, Iriga City. Nelita Marmol Gregorio and Family, Carcidona Street, San Isidro, Iriga City. Honorable Gigi Vargas, City Councilor, Iriga City. Honorable Jose Bagayawa, Punong Barangay, Francia, Iriga City. Oralio's Funeral Homes, care of Jose Manrique, Oralio and Family, Proprietor, San Isidro, Iriga City. Maria Leonora Casiao, Peria Bras, Springfield, San Miguel, Iriga City. Salcedo Gravel and Sand, care of Cesar Atas, Salcedo, San Vicente Sur, Iriga City. Fish Vendors and Buracan Sariles, Jane Vera and Family, Proprietor, Manager, San Francisco, Iriga City. Grace Ibariento Sanao, Corporate Executive Officer 2, SSS Iriga City Branch, Iriga City. Engineer Hilario Gorgonya, Acting Head, Rinconada Integrated Irrigated System, NIA, Santa Elena, Iriga City. Honorable Ben Blanquera, Municipal Councilor Baao, Camarines Sur. Honorable Cherry Sapugay, Municipal Councilor Baao, Camarines Sur. Barangay Kagawad, Maricris Nene Ablan, San Jose, Baao, Camarines Sur. Jerry Navarez, Chief Land Transportation Office, Ligao City, Albay. Knocking Pool Water Refilling Station in front of San Isidro Elementary School, Iriga City. Owned and managed by Annie and Rolly Bagaporo. Sa Saindo Pogabos, Diyos Mabalos. Viva la Virgen! Viva el Divino Rostro!
Sa panagos na pag-asigura na ang pirang taon na tiwala sa kalidad kan mga materyales na mababakal sa Ngo & Sons, mantinido, pinagmarhay kan Ngo Brothers na dai na mag-arog sa iba na nagpapabakal nin mga substandard as in undersized na mga bakal, arog kan kabilya, angle bars, as in iba pa, tasigon sa mga eksperto, nakabarato ka man sa presyo, alagad dai asertado ang siring na mga materyales as in posibleng magdulot pa nin diskwido. Kaya sa Ngo & Sons, ang materyales mo nakasunod sa Philippine standards. De kalidad, asin sigurado, nasa tamang standards. Asin safe, ang sa imong pamilya, Ngo & Sons. Ang ngaran na matitiwalaan, poon kadto sa kununyan.
Maging handa, may El Nino man o wala. Magtanom ng short gestation o short cycle crops arog kan munggo, mani asin soybean. Ibuon ang crop rotation method para makalikay sa mga peste. Magtipon ng tubig uran. Maglaag ng mulch sa palibot ng tanom gamit ang ata o bunot ng nyog. Ipa-ensure ang tanom sa PCIC para makalikay sa pagkalugi. Maapektuhan man kan sobrang init ang sa indong mga pananom.
Sarong serbisyo publiko kan Department of Agriculture sa Bicol.
This time check is brought to you by Olympio C. Nivalio Custom Brokerage, OPC, Unit 206-C, Regina Building, 410, Escolta, Manila. Service offered, customs brokerage, tariff consultancy, tracking, domestic and international freight forwarder, non-vessel operating common carrier.
Para sa bado na ka-bloom sa hamon, prumara na ang Charm Fabric Conditioner. Charm Fabric Conditioner. Iguaning Stay Fresh Technology. Bado mo, ka-bloom sa hamon. Charm Fabric Conditioner, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
Si Mommy at si Washing Machine believe sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy!
Laundry day na naman! Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ang Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stay-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, madikit, at malupit na dumit mancha. Easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon.
All you need is pride. All you need is pride.
Pride Detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Sa panahon ngayon, ikaw ba'y sigurado? Ikaw ba'y protektado? Ang pamilya ay i-shield mo.
Laban sa bakterya.
I-shield mo.
Laban ng pati virus.
Shield Bath Soap. Patay ang 99.9% of bacteria and virus tested. Bilib ang mga eksperto sa Philippine Nurses Association.
Sa sakit protektado.
I-shield mo.
Pamilya protektado.
Shield Bath Soap. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Mula sa #1 Smart Dishwashing Base.
Ang galing-galing mo. Smart dishwashing base ko. Pritong ulam na masebo. Smart caldero. Ang galing for everyday.
Ganyan pag Smart ang dishwashing paste. May double tanggaling formula. Tanggal galing ang sebo at bakterya.
Pahit para walang mahiginis. Fantastic sa metal at plastic. Number 1 ko to. Ang galing-galing mo. Smart dishwashing base.
Heavy duty linis bawat pahid.
Smart Dishwashing Paste. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS. Starbucks, Starbucks, wax. Starbucks, Starbucks, wax. Always remember, sa paglinis, pakitawin ang sahig. Mrs. Starbucks, Starbucks, wax. Ibang na to the max.
Starwax ang #1 floor wax. Ugwaning waterproof formula. Ulaan man ng tubig, balikin taban sa loob.
Starbucks, Starbucks, wax. Ibang na to the max, max, max.
Starwax floor wax. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
Para di madaling masira ang ngipin ng pamilya, ngayon pa lang,
Unique toothpaste for brushing every after kumain.
dahil ang unique toothpaste, may Max Protect formula.
Ngipin ay Max Alaga. Max protektado pa.
Helps stop cavities even before they start, while keeping breath fresh with regular use.
Unique toothpaste for brushing. Para siguraduhin ngipin ay Max Alaga. Max protektado pa yun.
Max Alaga, Max Protectado with unique toothpaste maximum fluoride protection. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Boom, papaya, white rose papaya, yeah, yeah, yeah. Boom, puti ka in 7 days, oh yeah, 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 yeah. White rose papaya.
New White Rose Papaya. Iguaning double whitening and papaya extract as in vitamin B3. Clinically proven man magpaputi in as early as 7 days with regular
Boom,
use.
puti ka, white rose papaya, yeah, 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 yeah.
Papaya Papaya puti, papaya fast. White rose papaya with vitamin B3. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality. ACS.
Masakit ba ang iyong ulo at katawan dahil sa sobrang trabaho at iba't ibang stress sa buhay? Sandali, mag-break ka muna. Hindi lang simpleng break, mag-Herbalaya break ka muna. Hinga ng malalim at imasahe ang ulo at katawan gamit ang Herbalaya Liniment Oil. Sa sakit ng ulo at katawan, dito na tayo sa subok na, dekalidad at siguradong ligtas. Herbalaya, amoy na kaaya-aya, sa bawat pahid ay ginhawa. Mabibili sa mga botika at grocery stores sa inyong lugar. Also available in roll-on and cream.